Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create groups here in LiveChat. Alright, so first up, log into your LiveChat account. Now, go to the left panel, just find team. Okay, once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here we have our agents and the owner as well, which is you. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead over to these tabs, and as you can see, you have groups, okay? So what you'll do is just click on it. Now go ahead and click on add new group right here, or go to the top and click on add new group. All right. Now in here, give your group a name. All right. Let's say we have an example right here, the support team. All right. Now go to start typing their names. Click on it, or you'll have a drop down in here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and select Made for Money and Ryan Alvarado right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap away. And then once that's done, I'm going to hit on create, wait for it. And as you can see here, it says support team group created. You have successfully added 2 members and now can edit your group. Hit on done. If you want to create another a group, you can just go and click on create next group. All right, click on the blue button. And as you can see here, under general, this is the count of all of your members right here under your organization. Support team only, here you have it. You can click on it. And here we have the members, the total chats, the goals, and the satisfaction. Okay, you can click on all 3 dots to edit the group right here and view reports. And you can also delete the group from here. All right, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.